Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can add color in table in MS Word. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your MS Word in your PC. Now after opening the Word, now you can create a document. If you already have a document, you can simply just open that document. Right now I don't have any document, so I'm going to click on this blank document in order to create one. And here you can see I'm going to add table, so click on insert and then table. And now here you can see I have created a simple blank table for the context, and here I want to color this particular table right here. So what I'm going to do is select this table. So in order to select it, what you're going to do is left click on your mouse like this and then drag your mouse right here like this, and you can see now this table has been selected. And now release the mouse and you can see the shading option right here. Simply just click on it. And then in here you can see there are various choice of color. I'm going to use this color for now. And you can see now this particular table has been selected. Just like this, you can select the other columns too. Like this, I'm going to shade this particular column right here. You can see I have selected the 3 columns, and again I'm going to click on shading and then again add in this color. And like this, here you can see I have successfully added the red color to those tables too. And just like this, you can also select the other tables you want to color like this, and then again do the same process. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully added the color to your table. And that is it. That is how you can add color in table in your MS Word. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.